Welcome in trigonometry part 42. Here it is, circular in inverse circular function, part I think it is 5. In the previous part we discussed up to formula number 8. We discussed formulas related to inverse circular function and we discussed up to 8 number formula. Now here we read formula number 9 in this part. Formula number 9 is 2 sin inverse x. 2 sin inverse x equal to sin inverse 2x root under 1 minus x square. 2x root under 1 minus x square. Yes. 2 sin inverse x equal to sin inverse 2x root 1 minus x square, and 2 cos inverse x equal to cos inverse this 2 cos inverse it is. लिखने में थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन हो जाता है, इसको ठीक कर लीजिएगा. 2 cos inverse x equal to cos inverse 2x square minus 1. 2 sin inverse x can be written as sin inverse 2x root under 1 minus x square, and 2 cos inverse x can be written as cos inverse 2x square minus 1. Okay, let us see how. These are the results. Let sin inverse x equal to suppose theta, then from here you will get sin theta is x. Okay, in order to get this result you will find sin 2 theta, because other side sin is required, so we take sin. Here 2 sin inverse x is there, sin inverse x is theta, so we take 2 theta. Sin 2 theta can be written as 2 sin theta into cos theta, and 2 theta will be sin inverse of this. What is this? 2 sin theta x and cos theta root under 1 minus sin square theta. Yes. तो यहाँ से 2 theta, theta means sin inverse x equal to sin inverse 2x root under 1 minus x square. In this way we can get the first result. ये second कर लीजिए इसको. And how second result will come? For second result you will write let cos inverse x equal to theta. So you will get cos theta equal to x, and you will find cos 2 theta, and cos 2 theta can be written as 2 cos square theta minus 1. ये सब आपको याद रखना है. Cos 2 theta can be written as 2 cos square theta minus 1. It can also be written as 1 minus 2 sin square theta. It can also be written as cos square theta minus sin square theta. It can also be written as 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. तो ये सभी होता है. तो हम लोग ये क्यों लिए, उसको वो सब क्यों नहीं लिए? क्योंकि हमारे पास cos theta का वैल्यू है. So why we have written cos theta in term of cos theta only. Cos 2 theta in term of cos theta. Now it can be written as 2x square minus 1. So 2 theta means cos inverse x equal to cos inverse 2x square minus 1. In this way we are getting the second result also. Okay, in this way there are 3 more results. That is result number 10 is for 3 sin inverse x equal to sin inverse 3x minus 4x cube. Yeah. 3 cos inverse x equal to cos inverse 4x cube minus 3x. 3 sin inverse x equal to sin inverse 3x minus 4x cube. Okay, and cos inverse 3 cos inverse x equal to cos inverse 4x cube minus 3x, and 3 tan inverse x, 3 tan inverse x equal to tan inverse 3 tan inverse x equal to 3x minus x cube, okay, by 1 minus 3x square. These are the results you have to see. 3 sin inverse x can be written as sin inverse 3x minus 4x cube. 3 cos inverse x can be written as cos inverse 4x cube minus 3x. 3 tan inverse x can be written as tan inverse 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x square. आपको याद भी रखना है और इसका प्रूफ भी हम लोग देखेंगे अभी कि ये आया कैसे ये फॉर्मूला. ये लास्ट हो गया. तो 10 रिजल्ट्स हैं टोटल इनवर्स में, और उसके बाद कुछ सवाल बनाएंगे. Your first result is 3 sin inverse x equal to sin inverse 3x minus 4x cube. Simply you will take here sin inverse x equal to theta, and from there you will get sin theta can be written as x, is not it? From here sin theta is x. Now since you have to find 3 sin inverse x, so you will use sin 3 theta. 3 theta, theta will be tan inverse x, and other side sin inverse is required, so why we have taken sin 3 theta. दूसरे साइड sin inverse चाहिए इसलिए sin लिए, यहाँ 3 sin inverse है इसलिए 3 theta लिए. sin 3 theta इक्वल टू फार्मूला होता है ना 3 sin theta माइनस 4 sin क्यूब थीटा, बस इसी से हो जाएगा. sin थीटा इज x माइनस 4x क्यूब हो गया, तो यहां से 3 थीटा हो जाएगा sin इनवर्स. ये चीज 3 थीटा मीन्स 3 sin इनवर्स x, दिस इज 3 थीटा इक्वल टू sin इनवर्स, दिस विल बी 3x माइनस 4x क्यूब. दिस इज योर फर्स्ट फार्मूला. 3 sin inverse x equal to sin inverse 3x minus 4x cube. For second, you will take cos theta equal to x. Cos inverse x equal to theta. So you will get cos theta equal to x, and therefore you will find cos 3 theta. And cos 3 theta formula is 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. ये आपको याद रखना पड़ेगा कि cos 3 theta इक्वल टू होता है 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Now 4 cos cube theta, 3 theta, theta means cos inverse x इक्वल टू अदर साइड हो जाएगा cos inverse 4 cos cube theta means 4x cube minus 3 cos theta means 3x. In this way you can get the second result. And for third result again you will take tan inverse x equal to theta, and so why tan theta equal to x, and you will use the formula for tan 3 theta. tan 3 theta equal to 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. ये आपको याद रखना पड़ेगा. tan 3 theta equal to 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Now from here 3 theta. 3 theta means theta is tan inverse x, 3 tan inverse x equal to this side tan inverse, and 3 tan theta means x, so it is 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x square. So in this way we get the result 3 tan inverse x equal to tan inverse 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x square. So you have to remember it as 3 tan inverse x equal to tan inverse 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x square. So these were the 10 results related to inverse circular function. So first of all, you understand what is inverse circular function. Then you must remember domain and range for inverse circular function, which is discussed in second part of inverse circular function. Domain and range for inverse circular function, and then after the results related to inverse circular function. These are the 10 results total related to inverse circular function. Then after, in the next video, in part 43, we solve some problems based on inverse circular function. So before solving problems, you must remember all the results, all the formulae. So in this video, this much. Thank you for watching.